What about Nagwayab, the rainbow? Like a rainbow in the dark. Nagwayab. And I think I got a cartoon here of a Nagwayab. Huh? Nagwayab. It is a rainbow. And here the little jagag, little skunk, he's pulling a rainbow right out of the rain. You know, he's happy. But you know what else? If you look closely, he's got tears in his eyes. Oh, Michael, you really hit this one out of the park. Hey, thanks, man. That's a cool painting. I'm going to make that bigger so you can see the little skunk's tear. Oh, look at that. He's crying in the rain. But he seems happy. Maybe are those tears of joy? Yeah, they're completely tears of joy. Yeah, little skunk. Nagwayab. And then, why did we think of Nagwayab? I think it's because we were singing somewhere over Nagwayab. Yeah, that's right. Bluebirds fly. There's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Yeah, I think we just have the Wizard of Oz on the mind. But Nagwayab is a rainbow. And so I was thinking, what can I say about rainbows? What occurred to me? The rainbow came to us after the Gitche Muska'an. Muska'an. The flood. So today I'd like to tell the story of the Gitche Muska'an. The flood, the great flood. You see, back in the days of the grandfathers, Gitche Manadu, the great spirit, he was pretty much had it up to here with human beings. He was like, okay, fine, you guys want to carry on like this? Guess what? I'm going to flood out the world and I'm going to drown you out. So he made it rain for 40 days and 40 nights. 40 days and 40 nights it rained as the firmament covered flat earth filled with water. And sure enough, it drowned everybody out except for one family, Noah's family. You see, Noah had a vision. Gitche Manadu told him to build a boat. He said, build this boat. I'm going to make it rain. And Noah was like, what's rain? Because never mind, you'll know it when it comes. And everybody laughed at him. It's, oh, what are you doing there, Noah? You're building an ark? What's an ark? A boat? That's stupid. Why would you do that? It's on dry land. What are you, a conspiracy theorist? Yeah, whatever. Oh, the sky is falling, Noah. But sure enough, it rained for 40 days and 40 nights. And after it's all over, Gitche Manadu, he goes, you know what? I'm not going to do that again. I'm not going to promise I'm never going to kill you again, but I'll never drown you out like this. That's it's kind of a waste of water. So with this promise, I created the Nagwayab. I created this rainbow as a reminder that I will never again flood out the Anishinaabe. Next time, I'm probably just going to burn you. But the rainbow is a symbol of the story of the flood. Then fast forward a few thousand years, and the rainbow's gotten kind of co-opted by pride. I'm not talking native pride. It got co-opted by pride parades. Yeah, huh? But we don't need to talk about that here. Nagoyab. Oh, you know what else it means?
What's that?
In Ireland, they have a story of a little man, a leprechaun. It's a little guy who he hid a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Can you imagine, sweetie?
Man, if we won a pot of gold, we could go to the casino.
Yeah, that'd be just like us. We get to the end of the rainbow, we find gold, head straight to the casino and lose it. Go to bingo night, lose it all. But yeah, so the Irish, they said if you go to the end of the rainbow. But our little Dorothy, she was all like, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. La-di-da-di-da-da-da-dum-dum.